Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking, and of course we're up here in the Bighorn Mountains. It snowed on us last night, but it got a little warmer now and the snow's melted. So we're going to do an awesome meal today, Elk Stroganoff. Can't go bad on that. It's that time of year. Doesn't that sound wonderful? It'll be a beautiful meal later. What I've done ahead of time is 3 to 4 pound elk roast that I cubed up last night and put head country marinate on it and let that be in the refrigerator overnight. I put a couple tablespoons of our nice good olive oil in here. We're going to get this hot on our coals over here. Brown our meat, add our onions, and then we're going to add our mushrooms fresh mushrooms that I've sliced ahead of time. And then we've got 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup with the secret ingredient in here. And if you watch this whole video, I'll give you that secret ingredient at the end. All right, we'll be back with you in just a few minutes. Please remember to subscribe. Just remember, when you subscribe, all that does is let you know that our wonderful new video is coming out. And please push the like button and leave a comment. Great, we'll be with you in just a few minutes. We got the olive oil nice and hot and put in our elk roast, and it's simmering and cooking really nice here. Now I'm going to add my chopped onions. Let this cook for a bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid back on it because it's cold right now. It's about 50 degrees, and it just helps hold the heat in. We've got coals on the bottom. Of course, we'll put coals on top. We're going to want to keep this about 350. We're going to cook it for a ways here yet. We'll show you. Probably about 30 minutes we're going to cook this and let it brown really nice. And then we'll add the cream of mushroom soup. Let that cook for a couple hours. And then I'll add the sour cream, and then I'll tell you about my secret ingredients, so stay with us. We'll see you after a bit with the finished meal. It's been about 30 minutes, and we got some good heat going on, and this is cooked down, and the meat is brown, and the fresh mushrooms and onions. So I'm ready to put my cream of mushroom soup on here. You know, if you don't want to do elk roast, you can use any kind of meat you want. We're just very fortunate to be able to have elk. We'll mix this together real well, put the lid on it. This is when we're going to let it cook for about 2 hours. The longer you cook this, the better it is. Our wonderful meal got done. Look at this. Oh boy, we can't wait to eat. My goodness. We're going to have to get with it. It looks like there's a storm rolling in. And of course, as soon as you take it up, the flies discover us. But this elk stroganoff is absolutely wonderful. Remember, I told you to stay with us till the very end. Look at this. I have that secret to tell you. Years ago, we had a dear German friend, a dear little lady, that shared one of her secret ingredients for really good German stroganoff. And you know what that is? It's a teaspoon of fresh nutmeg. It just really adds something very different to it. It's really yummy. Here's a salute to all of our viewers. Thank you for joining us today. Remember our motto: great food shared with friends and family equals great times. Thank you. Please subscribe. We'll be showing you another wonderful video. And remember to push the like button and leave us a comment. Thank you.